SZA can sing. I like me some SZA, man. SZA the shit. I love me some SZA. Y'all better wake y'all. Oh shit! My dog working out. Yeah. Well, like, listen, I'm gonna catch you tomorrow. FinFit 40 in the morning. I ain't bullshitting around. Tomorrow. FinFit 40. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And I'm gonna try to catch you on your lunch break. You know. I'll see you in the morning. Stay out of trouble. Appreciate you coming through. Come and fuck with me. Catch y'all, ladies and gentlemen. Catch y'all. Honestly, a nigga ain't forget, but I forgave Cap. These nigga play Cap. Sure he failing tests every time with a grade cap. But she get an A for the head like a praise cap. Yes, niggas thought I was losing cause I'm laid back. Now I'm at they necks like a club shake cat. And I don't know why lies lie. Why they say they flies high. Niggas ain't been fly this long. This is that in why Dubai. Who decides warm rough riders, nigga ride or die. Black niggas got me watching red cars driving by. Rick and see them guys behind. Gotta keep my eyes on mine. I get up and chase my dreams. Every day is rise and grind. I be in New Zealand at the tower, hit the sky to dime. Both had the salmon with a salad. I had fries. Next day in Melbourne. Back to the hotel phone, staying at the W. L's don't get dwelled on. Dinner time at Noble, Burn City, Melbourne. Looking like they fall. Wet like a pool party, moving like I'm Aquaman. It's the Aqua Blue body. I said it's a cool party. YG said a boom party. Haters never close their mouth. Pillow full of drool probably. But this whip matching the drip matching the strip. I'm a sick nigga. She tryna risk catching the shit. The ass poking out and her shit matching her hips. Or else she gotta go. Can't miss matching this bitch. And some don't know no better. They just scratching this shit. They be so busy tripping they miss catching the trip. I told her. Don't snooze and miss the moment. All right, so but I was about to sit this thing. Same like that sucks. Yeah. Anyway, fuck, man. Fuck. With this. But I see y'all over. About 6:30. At 6:30. I see y'all later.